outfits are stunning.
True that.
What are we wearing next?
Girls, ready to dazzle again? Dresses, please. You know, there is something special about all these outfits. Let's see if you can tell.
Handmade?
Oh.
Special fabric?
Special, yeah, but not the fabric.
It's gorgeous. Come on, spill the beans.
All right. Your dresses look new, but they've been washed multiple times with the AI-powered IFB deep clean washing machine. You didn't realize it too, did you?
Introducing IFB Deep Clean. Your clothes look wow even after multiple washes.